Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well today. I am sharing with you a very glowing skin up. Start the video, watch till the end. Asterisk ingredients. Asterisk 2 tablespoon gram flour, Besan. 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, Haldi. Turmeric, sandalwood, and rose petal powder in a bowl. 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder, Chandan. 1 tablespoon rose petal powder, Glowing 1 tsp honey 1 tablespoon yogurt or milk. Add yogurt or milk, honey and lemon juice if using. tsp lemon juice, optional. Mix all dry ingredients, gram flour. Mix well to form a smooth paste. Apply the paste to your face and body. Massage gently for 2-3 minutes. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Benefits: exfoliates and brightens skin. Reduces tan and hyperpigmentation, soothes and calms skin. Hydrates and nourishes skin. Tips: do a patch test before applying. Use lukewarm water for rinsing. Moisturize after the treatment. Hope you like my video. If you UPLZ, consider to subscribe.